Hi guys, Karen how are you? Today I'm excited to bring you a Pilates mat workout. So we're gonna get started lying down on your mat. We're gonna start with our knees bent, and we're gonna start with our hands right toward the pelvis. So the thumb is coming to the rib cage and the pinky finger is coming right to the top of that hip bone. I want you to from here take a nice long inhale through the nose. And then with that exhale, start to draw the belly button in so the ribs and the hips come together, right? Your pinky and your thumb come toward one another. And then as we inhale, letting those 2 points go, releasing the low back from the mat. And again, as you exhale, draw the navel to spine, finding that little imprinted position. Inhale to release. We do that one last time on that exhale. Draw the belly button in, ribs and hips together. Inhale, letting that release. And then we're gonna find that in-between position. So focusing here on your two hip bones and your pubic bones staying in that same line. Take the arms overhead, shoulders off the ears. Slowly on the inhale, start to nod the head and peel the arms. As we exhale, rising your head, shoulder, neck to come up. Take an inhale, hold. And then using your exhale to draw the navel to spine, lower that down. Let's go again. Inhale, the arms rise. Exhale, finding that little imprint coming up to flexion, look toward the belly, holding. Slowly on the exhale, lower that down. We're gonna go one more like that before we change. Slowly bring the arms. Rising up. Notice here the neck follows the line of the spine, holding, and then gently lower that right back down. Right leg tabletop. Find your imprint, and then the left leg follows. Slowly bring the arms up on the inhale. Exhale, draw the navel deeper, lift head, shoulder, neck up, the gaze is toward the belly. Inhale, we lower that right back down. Now, option one, we stay with that. Option two, extend those legs out, and then bend and return. All right, listen to your body here, that's key. Pressing away. Can we go for 4 more here, rising up for 4. And we lower, exhale, and 3. Remember, your knees can stay bent if you need that option the whole time. And 2. On the last one, we're staying up. Gaze is toward the belly into your hundreds. Inhale, start to pump for 4, 3, 2. Exhale, 4, 3, 2. Modify here if you need, yes? Good. Exhale, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, 4, 3, 2. Exhale, 4, 3, 2. Inhale, 4, 3, 2. Exhale, draw the navel deeper. Inhale, 4, 3, 2. Exhale, 4, 3, 2. 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 Inhale, 4, 3, 2. Exhale, last 3 and 2. Bend the knees in. Slowly lower that all the way back down. Rolling up to seated position. Coming with a bent knee position. Lifting the heart and chest. Arms parallel to the floor. Plugging the shoulders back. We're going to take an inhale, prepare. Now as you exhale, draw the navel to spine. We're coming back into a little C curve. We're going to hold here for 1. Now use that exhale. We're going to fold forward. Okay, your half roll back. Inhale, moving away from the top of the thighs. And then on that exhale, keeping that chin off chest, flexing and coming forward. Let's go 2 more here. Inhale, we're moving away. And exhale, coming forward. 1 more to that finish. Inhale, moving away. Now, coming forward as you exhale. Option 1, stay. Option 2, we're going to add a little more power to this. So we have small to the back, middle, upper, rising up. Exhale, flex and fold over. We have 4. Coming back down, rising up. Chin is up, chest. We have 3. Lower, try to keep your feet anchored to that mat. 2 more here, rising up, 2. Last one to the very finish. Coming up to that top, and then stack that spine up tall. Flexing the feet, full roll up. Lift the heart and chest. Now, modify this with your bent knee that we just did. Inhaling. On the exhale, starting to tilt the pelvis so the ribs and the hips draw together. We're melting the small of the back, the middle, the upper, the arms hover overhead. Rising up. Exhale, come to flexion. Chin is off that chest. We're coming up and over the top of those thighs. Gently starting to take that back down, releasing, and arms overhead. Let's go, we have 2 more. Rising on the inhale, exhale, coming into flexion, up and over the top of those thighs. Beautiful, guys. And come down. You also feel a nice stretch there through the calf muscles, right? 1 more, coming up, flexing over, and then we lower that with complete control. Vertebrae by vertebrae, palms come down to the sides. Walk the feet in, preparing for your bridge work. Let's take an inhale, 1. Using the exhale, I want you to find your imprint, squeezing the buttocks. Make sure you're turning on the glutes, lifting the hips up. Take an inhale, hold. Using your exhale, slowly begin to melt down your top, your middle, lower, and tailbone connects. Again, inhale, 1. Exhale, draw the abdominals, squeezing the glutes, lifting those hip bones to stay level, holding, and then gently on that exhale, melting that vertebrae down. We're gonna add on to this. Listen to my change. Take an inhale, 1. Exhale, lift up, holding your hips lifted, walking your feet in toward the seat, rising up the heels for 8 and 7, 6, 5, we have 4 more, 4 to the finish, 3, listen, 2, hold up on 1, go down an inch and pulse. Now you're really focusing on that mind-muscle connection, squeezing the glutes to lift, and 4 more, up, and 3, and 2, and 1. Drop the heels, come down. Right leg goes straight up to the ceiling. Okay, we're gonna start to circle. Down, up, in, and pause. If you're okay here, go ahead and extend that left leg. Right, as long as the hips are staying nice and even. 4 more here. Feel that core connect. 3, 2, and reverse that circle direction. We're going down, in, up, and around. Down, in, up, and around. 4 to the finish. 3, 2, and 1. Bend that leg, slide it long on the mat. Opposite leg comes up to the ceiling and reach. Flexing that lower leg, down, lift and around. Circle. 6 more here. We have 6. Right? If you're feeling tightness in the hip or low back, go ahead and bend both knees even, right? Always shortening the lever is gonna modify the move. 3 more here. 3, I'll feel that belly ready. 2, and reverse, opposite direction, and around. Down and around. We got 4 more here. Show me 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bending the knees to tabletop. Hands are softly behind the head, chin off chest. Take an inhale. As you exhale, start to lift the head, shoulder, neck to come up. We're gonna hold this position. Right leg is in, left leg is out. Slowly rotate and twist toward that right knee. Inhale, exhale, and switch. Then armpit toward the knee. And crisscross. And switch. We have 4 more here. Show me 4, 3, really reaching that lower leg down. 2, here's your 1. Now tabletop those legs, hold the tabletop legs. Hands to the outside, double leg stretch. You're gonna reach the arms overhead on the inhale. Exhale, circle and pull the knees in. Inhale to reach, exhale and pull in. 4 more here for 4, and we circle. And 3, and we circle. 2 more, and 2, and circle. Here's your last 1. 1, I want you to hold here. Extend those legs straight to the ceiling. Right leg stays, left leg drops. Scissor and switch. 1, 2. 1, 2. Whew, 4 more here. 4, 4. 3, 3. 2, 2. Scissor and switch. We have singles. 5. Belly's burning. 4, 3, 2. Shake that out. Whew, roll up to seated position. So from here, coming to all 4s, we're gonna bring the palms right under the shoulders here, the knees under the hips, extending that right leg nice and long, and lifting up. Small little lifts, squeezing the glute. Let's go, we have 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold the last one up, pause and pulse an inch. Small, 6, get ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold on, 1, down to the forearm, bend that knee. We're gonna pulse 1, 2, 3, lower down, exhale, lift, 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 and return. Firing the seat, 2, 1, and again, listen to my change. Singles, extend that leg long and in. 7, 6, there it is. 5, we have 4 more here. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming up to switch. Left leg is long, hips are squared, little lifts. Keep it small. 6 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, get ready guys, 2, 1, hold and pulse up an inch. Squeeze. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Coming to the forearm position, bending that knee in. You're gonna go 3 pulse. 2, 1. Lower down. We lift and squeeze. 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 Lower down and lift. 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 1 more. 3. Here's your change. Single extend. Lift. 8 and bend. 7, 6, 5. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Side lying position. I want you to flex the feet, walk both feet to the front corner of that mat. Take your top leg up. We're gonna kick 2 times front and single that to the back, right? Flex and flex, squeeze and point. Flex and flex, opening up that hip, firing that seat. Let's go 1 more here. Nice stretch through the leg, and then stop. 1 long line, lift and point. Exhale, flex and pull. Lift it up. Good. Imagine guys like that leg is flowing through water, right? You're creating that resistance. Now, can we hold the leg up for 1? The bottom leg comes to meet it. Reach the legs long, and we lower. We have top, bottom, reach. 1 more. Top, bottom, both legs lift. 8, 7, 6, 5. 4 more here. We have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Top leg lift and flex. Pulse. 7. Feeling the outer thigh. Lift it up. You have 4, 3, 2, 1. Point and circle. And sweep that leg. Ooh, that leg is burning. 3, 2, reverse up and around. Switching that direction. We're feeling that leg, guys? You got 4 more. We have 3, 2, and 1. Switching to the other side. Lying side. Flex, you're gonna walk both feet to the corner. Top leg comes up. Kick and kick. Single to the back. Kick and kick. Single to the back. Let's go. 4 and 4. Sweep. 3 more. 3 and 3. 2 more. 2 and 2. Show me 1 more here. It's 1 and 1 and sweep. Make 1 long line head to toe. Point, lift, flex, pull. Right? And then again, that leg is flowing through water, so you're working the outer thigh and resisting the inner thigh down. 2 more here. 2. Now can we hold that top leg up? Hold it up. Bottom leg comes to meet it. Reach long, return. Top, lower leg, reach it long. Return. 1 more and top and bottom. Both legs together. Lift up and down. 7 to the finish right here. 6, 5. Show me 4 more here. 4. Feeling that waist. 3, 2, and 1. Top leg up. Pulse lift. Squeeze. 6, 5, 4. How's the outer thigh? 3, 2. I want you to pause, point, and circle. Circle. Remember, on these circles, nothing else moves, right? It's almost as if there's a belt around that waist. 2 more. Reverse. Up and around. Up and around. You got 4 to the finish. 4. 3. I'm feeling that leg. 2. And rest. Whoo, lower onto the belly, guys. Shoulders off the ears. Okay, your hip bones are anchored. Taking an inhale. Using the exhale, lifting the right leg. Lifting the left. What you want to imagine here, the pelvis staying anchored, the legs lifting. 4 more here. 4, 3, 2. Let's try both legs together. Lift and squeeze the butt. And squeeze. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Elbows into the side. Diving forward as you inhale. Exhale, swim and extend. Inhale, tip of the nose looks down. Exhale, swimming and extending. Can we go for 3 more? Diving forward, pressing behind us. 2 more here. Diving forward, firing that back. We have 1 more, my friends. Diving forward, pressing and extending. And I want you to hold those arms out to make a T. Looking to the floor, pulse up. Small. Now the spine doesn't move here. You're just squeezing those shoulder blades together. Good. 4. Hovering upper body off that mat. 2 and 1. Pressing to a shell stretch, my friends. We are done. Breathe. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today for the super quick but efficient full body Pilates mat workout. Thank you again, guys. I will see you next workout. Have a beautiful day. Take care.